and we are looking at the new Westfalia 7 Hedin Premium based on the Crafter with the final price of 94,990. Well, actually it's 102,49, but it has an extremely big pop-up roof and the new last design, and I will be going around so we can check firstly the back side of this camper, and understanding that we have a pretty large garage, and also probably we can lift this up so your bikes could probably fit here. So let's try to measure that. It's 1.749, and on the widest part we have 1.25. And if we measure the bed, we have actual sleeping area of almost 1.9, and on this part it's approximately 1.4, but it's probably larger on that side. And going around, I will be entering inside, so we'll be checking all together. The Hedin design, and yes, you can also lease it for 769 euros a month. Yes, this is a fridge that actually pull out to be a big. Yep, it's a drawer pull-out fridge, pretty long and useful. And if we enter inside, the sitting area is pretty comfy with two pretty large cabinets. Man, well, this is for the UK, but probably we'll get it also for that side. Dometic with sink, three cabinets on the lower part, actually two, because this is okay, enough more space there. And then checking out, is it locked? No. Washroom situation with Thetford cassette toilet, not bad at all, and well, some small pockets. And if we close here, we don't have any cabinets on this side, but we have an additional cabinet here, some drawers pull up, some storage here, and four cabinets all around. These are slightly deeper, and these are slightly on the smaller part, with this bedding setup all around. Pretty nice looking Westfalia. Let's go check it around another time.